The upcoming iPhone 20 Pro Max could be the most extreme iPhone Apple have ever created, and honestly, some people may hate it. And if the latest leaks are true, the iPhone 18 Pro Max might be the final step before Apple unveils something far more extreme for the iPhone's 20th anniversary. Leaker Instant Digital on Weibo says that Apple is working on a futuristic iPhone that could be almost entirely made from glass. The display may curve around the edges, creating an almost seamless design with barely any visible frame. Even the traditional buttons could disappear, replaced by pressure-sensitive controls built directly into the glass. Sounds impressive, but it also creates a serious problem. If the phone freezes, how do you force a restart it with physical buttons? Apple would need to completely rethink how users interact with the device. And with glass covering almost every side, durability would also become a massive concern. Apple is reportedly testing stronger glass and no materials to make the phone more resistant to drops and daily damage. The front could also receive one of the biggest changes in iPhone history. Apple is reportedly working to move most of the Face ID hardware under the display. That could finally reduce the size of the dynamic island, with many of its features potentially handled entirely through software. And then there is the camera. Apple is reportedly testing a massive 200 megapixel sensor, but the main goal may not simply be higher resolution. The real focus could be dynamic range, allowing the camera to capture more detail in bright skies and dark shadows at the same time. Powering all this could be the new Apple chip built on an advanced 1.4 nanometer process that would bring faster performance, stronger AI features, and better power efficiency. Apple may also introduce silicon-anode battery technology, potentially delivering more battery life without making the phone thicker. The biggest change could be the complete removal of the charging port. If Apple goes fully wireless, the iPhone could become even more resistant to water and dust. But drop this expensive glass phone and your wallet might suffer more than the device. As for the launch, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected in September 2026, while Apple's major 20th anniversary iPhone redesign could arrive around 2027. The iPhone 18 Pro Max may start around $1,199, while the iPhone 20 Pro Max could cost well above $1,500. Would you buy an almost all-glass iPhone? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.